Now let's come to fundamental duties. From one useless topic to a bigger useless topic. This has no value. All the duties mentioned here, most of them are bogus completely. Please understand, FDs are not legally enforceable. Okay? And what is the point? It is just a moral obligation on citizens. Two things are important. Number one, the FDs were added later on. Okay, this is part 4A, one article only. And what is that? 51 capital A. This was added on the recommendation of Sardar Swan Singh Committee. The Sardar Swan Singh Committee gave recommendations to add one more thing in the constitution. What was that? What? Sir, one more thing. This is there, sir. Something else. Huh? Right to vote. It is not a fundamental right. Who is giving all these ideas? Taxes. No. A different part of our constitution comes from recommendation of Swan Singh Committee. Tribunals. Part 14A. Okay. Tribunals were added in 1976 on the recommendation of Sardar Swan Singh Committee only. Okay. So there were originally 10 duties, now 11, because last one was added later on. What is that last duty? If you are a parent or a guardian, send your kid to school. Okay. So first thing was, these duties have been added through 42nd Amendment Act on the recommendation of Swan Singh Committee. Second is, the duties are meant only for citizens. Read. It shall be duty of every. Circle this, you will remember it. That it's a duty of citizens. So you can go through it: to abide by the constitution, respect its ideals, etc. To cherish and follow the noble ideals that inspired the national struggle for freedom. To uphold and protect to cherish and follow the noble ideals that inspired the national struggle for freedom. What are those noble ideals that inspired the freedom struggle? Throwing bombs, non-cooperation, civil disobedience. Should we use that now? Of course not. So they have not clarified which ideals. To uphold and protect the sovereignty of India, okay, defend the country and render national service. Then the fifth one, to protect harmony and spirit of common brotherhood amongst all people of India, transcending religious, linguistic and regional or sectional diversities. And to renounce practices derogatory to dignity of women. To value and preserve the rich heritage of our country's composite culture. Rich heritage like untouchability. It must be preserved. No. Again, not clarified what to be preserved. Then, to protect and improve the natural environment, including forests, lakes, rivers and wildlife, and have compassion for living creatures. Don't throw stones on dogs. Then, to develop scientific temper, humanism, spirit of what kind of nonsense is this? Spirit of inquiry, asking questions. To religion. FRs give us freedom of religion. Duties want us to ask questions. Inquire. Please go home today and ask questions from parents. Why are you performing this ritual? Who slaps on your face? See, religion only stops us from doing one thing: asking questions. But duty says, ask questions. Spirit of inquiry is important. Scientific temper is important. So before you go to exam, eat curd and jaggery. It will help you improve your performance. Or when a cat crosses a road, don't cross now. Right? Scientific temper. Then, safeguard public property and to abjure violence. Don't be violent. Safeguard public property. Like people take the bridges home, railway tracks home. No? Have you heard of these examples? People stealing bridges and railway tracks. So, they are actually safeguarding property, but in their house. Then to strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity so that the nation constantly rises to higher levels of endeavor and achievement. Okay, too much of expectation from citizen. Done. Okay, solve the questions now. In India, separation of judiciary from executive enjoined where? Article number. Article 50, DPSP. Very good. Then, promotion of international peace and security. 51, DPSP. Then, concentration of wealth violates what? Forget that. Give me article. 39C. We have to reduce the concentration of wealth. Answer is DPSP. Now, please don't cross-check your notes. Solve this. Yes, innocent people. Something. B. What is the answer here? B. What is the answer here? What is the answer here? So what is the answer here? B. No, answer is B actually. Okay. Participation of workers in the management of industries. You can please cross-check. What is the answer here? B. The ideal of welfare state in the Indian Constitution is enshrined in its DPSP. Now they have confused the aspirant completely by changing the option. And look at this question. This question says the ideal of welfare state is mentioned where? And this says which place mentions welfare state? Active, passive. They are playing these kind of games rather than asking genuine questions. So, okay, answer is DPSP. Done. Solve this one. All three are correct. What are you saying? First one is correct. Oh, okay. Correctly matched. Second one? Third one? Which article is this? 24. Right against? Exploitation. All three are correct. So C is the right answer. Okay. Great. Rights are correlative with duties. Yes. Okay. Rights are personal and hence independent of society. Is it correct? Of course not. Rights not duties are important. Both are important. But duties not rights. Both are important. So A is the right answer. Citizens have rights and they also have some duties to perform. Please tell me what is the answer? C. Oh. Let's see. To preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture, is it a part of FDs? To protect weaker sections from social injustice. It seems to be a nice idea, but it is not directly mentioned in the duties. 2 is wrong. Remove 2. Right answer is C. The most important thing which should have been a duty is not a duty. To vote in public elections. So, right answer is A. This is not mentioned as a part of fundamental duties.